donkey, horse, sheep, lobster, dog,
Do you wanna learn how the
rabbit,
animals talk? Hear what they
cat,
say, sounds that they make.
pig.